This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to change the author on a WordPress post. It's actually quite simple. What I am in my post dashboard right here. So here are all my test posts that I have, and I want to change the author to someone different. So all you're going to need to do is you're going to need to hover over the post and go to Quick Edit. Once you're in Quick Edit, you're going to see the author right here. And when you have, if you have more than one person, you'll see all the authors that you have in your WordPress as users. And so I can click a different user here, like so, and I can click Update. And there you go. You see the author has changed. Okay, so that's all you're going to need to do if you want to change the author on a post. All you need to do is go to Quick Edit, go down to the author drop down, and click whatever author you want it to change to. Hope that helps, and have a great day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.